Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the peanut sauce that we will eat with the Thai grilled fish or also the steamed fish. In Thai we call Miang Pla Pao. For this recipe we will eat the sweet peanut sauce with the vegetable and also the noodle, and the important thing is the fish, and it's very good for combinations. Make the sweet sauce. We're going to prepare by add 2 tablespoons of the water and 1 tablespoon of the palm sugar, and then put on the pot and heat it for the medium heat until the sugar is dissolved. And then we're gonna add the garlic and the chili into the blender and add the lemon juice for 3 tablespoons, fish sauce 3 tablespoons. And then put our syrup that we cooked before, and we're gonna blend it. And then we're gonna add the peanut, the roast peanut for 3 or 4 tablespoons, depends what you like, and then continue to blend it. And now it's ready. It's very easy to make this sauce, but if you doesn't like the sweet peanut sauce, you can change to the seafood sauce too when you eat with our fish. I would like to recommend this sauce because when it mixed with the vegetable and also the fish, it makes very good combination. Sweet, sour, and salt. Hope you guys give this try for this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook, and see you next time.